If you are looking for an alternative to sugar, then this video is for you. Yes. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make date powder, how to make date sugar, how to make alternative or a healthier option of sweetener instead of using sugar. We're going to be using dates, and you can use this date for anything that calls for sugar. If you want to sweeten your tea, your pap, your custard, your smoothie, your cakes, your bread, or any kind of pastries, you can use dates, this date powder for it. It is healthy and it is also sweet. So let's get started. And here I have some dates fruits. You can get this from an open market or a supermarket near you. And making date powder is very simple. All we're going to do now is to wash this. I like to wash mine because I get it from open market, so it's always dusty. I like to wash it before I crack and remove the seeds. I'm done washing it. You can see that it's looking wet now. So the next thing we're going to do is to find a way to cut this open and take out the seeds, because we are not going to grind it with the seeds.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through.
I'm done removing all the seeds. You just have to find a way to remove the seeds. It's not easy, but you have to find an easier option for you. Just as you're making this, you try different ways of cracking it open. You can use stone, you can use knife. Though it is easier to remove the seed when it is soft, but I don't want to soak it to be soft because it will be difficult to dry. And here I have the seeds that I got from this. I was told that you can also dry this, blend it, and turn it into coffee. So I'm storing this. You might see what I'll do with it later. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to transfer this into my baking tray. We're going to take this to the oven and dry it in the oven. When you're drying this in the oven, be watchful as you do it so that it doesn't get burnt. Instead, use lower temperature. I'm going to use about 120 degrees Celsius to do this, and I'll be watching it. I'll put close eyes on this as I'm drying it. If you don't have oven, you can also dry this on the stove. Just after some time, take it down, allow it for a few minutes, it will become crispy, and you grind it that time. Don't leave it for a longer time, if not it will become gummy again.
Cooking life's most tender themes.
You did have dry.
Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.
After oven drying the dates, the next thing we're going to do now is to add it into a grinding cup and grind into powder. If you don't have a strong blender or grinder, you can always take it to the market and grind.
Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice, harder kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon, gentle rhythms hum the tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.
After grinding it, I'll sieve it so that we can get a fine powder.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasured kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune.
After sieving it, this is what I have. I will still grind this again, sieve it again, and I will continue with the process until we have little or nothing left. Yep. And here we have our date powder, ready to be used for any recipe that calls for sugar or sweetener. Allow this to cool down from that strong or heavy grinding, because after grinding it is somehow hot or warm. And then when it cools down, transfer to an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope it was helpful. Please help me share it out, like and share it out. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace.